Out here, got this. Yeah, drink some oil. God dang, this thing is freaking tight. Oh fuck. The wind's blowing me. There we go. This is a long one. Okay, so. Oh my god, I thought that went in the oil. And what after this? This one. Alright, now let's put this down right here. This down. I can take off this. Oh wait, no, don't turn it. Wait, it's gonna turn. Uh-oh. That's a problem. All the leaves are falling. Oh.
Have the case off yet?
Yeah.
Filming everything or just sections? Or
I'm filming everything.
Oh, you're gonna piece it together?
Yeah. Huh? Right there. 15 minutes.
You don't have to do it.
So there is a bolt that could fall out that I need to be careful with.
Right there?
Yep.
I'll take.
So
You should be able to pull the whole stack out.
yeah, I could.
That way you can leave it in order.
Alright, so we got everything out over here. So let's figure out that it points inwards towards the engine, the smaller one with a different part code. And then all of these, yeah, we got the new ones over there. Cool. Alright, we got our floaters and plates in here. About to soak them in some fluid. And yeah. Alright, they're all good and soaking. And we gotta go put them in the bike. Alright, so we got all the plates in. Now we just need to put the top on, springs in. Yeah, we're good to go. Alrighty, we got the clutch in. We gotta go put the fluid back inside the measuring cup. And I gotta put this on, of course. And we could adjust it.